What if I told you that everything you learned about money in school was wrong? Today, we're breaking down the 5 most transformative lessons from Robert Kiyosaki, the best-selling author who challenged how millions think about wealth. Let's dive in. Lesson 1. Assets versus liabilities. Kiyosaki's core teaching is simple but powerful. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out. Most people get this backwards. They think their home is an asset. It's not. It costs money to maintain. Their car is an asset. Wrong. It depreciates and costs money. Real assets include rental properties that generate income, stocks and bonds paying dividends, businesses you don't work in. Intellectual property. The wealthy focus on building assets, not accumulating liabilities that look impressive. Lesson 2. The rat race. Breaking free from the rat race. Kiyosaki describes the rat race, trading your time for a paycheck, month after month, year after year. The problem? Your income is limited by your hours. You're dependent on one employer. You're always behind financially. To escape, stop exchanging time for money. Exclusively build passive income streams. Create multiple revenue sources. Invest your earnings. Don't just spend them. This shift in thinking separates the wealthy from the middle class. Lesson 3. Financial education matters. Financial education is your superpower. Here's what Kiyosaki emphasizes. Schools don't teach financial literacy, but the rich prioritize it. What you need to learn: how money works, taxes, and how to minimize them legally, real estate and investing, business fundamentals. The wealthy dedicate time to financial education because it's an investment that pays forever. You don't need a degree, just consistent learning. Books, mentors, courses, and experience are your tools. Lesson 4. Your mindset determines your wealth. Your mindset is your greatest asset. Kiyosaki teaches that poverty and wealth start in your mind. Poor mindset versus wealthy mindset. Poor. I can't afford it. Gives wealthy. How can I afford it? Poor. That's risky. Gives wealthy. What can I learn from this risk? Poor. Money is the root of all evil. Gives wealthy. Money is a tool. Your beliefs about money shape your decisions. Change your thoughts, and you change your financial destiny. Lesson 5. Start small. Think big. Start small. Think big. You don't need a fortune to begin building wealth. Kiyosaki's message is clear. Start now. Start small, but start. Action steps. Invest a small amount in an asset today. Learn one financial skill this month. Find a mentor or study someone successful. Reinvest your earnings. Think long-term, not quick riches. The richest people started somewhere. The difference? They started. The lessons from Robert Kiyosaki aren't secrets. They're principles the wealthy have used for centuries. The question now is, will you apply them? Start building your assets today. Your future self will thank you. Like and subscribe for more money lessons, and see you in next one.